Hi, good night, respect tutor. My name is Eusebio Sanchez. I study engineering systems, UNAT. Uh, my document. The problem is illegal mining and exploration of natural resources. Illegal mining in Colombia is mostly practiced in the department of Chocó, Bolívar, Antioquia, and Córdoba, where this region account for 66% some consequence of illegal mining and overexploitation of natural resources are loss of biodiversity, soil erosion which reduces the possibility of agriculture use, the will consequently lead to an increase of in food price, acceleration of climate change, reduced quality of life in the future, uh, scarcity of the resources making the more expansive in the future. Therefore, economic imbalance due to the crisis of enriched material and food increase the in, environmental population. Uh, what it affect geologically the removal of the superficial layers of the hair produce instability in the hair, causing landslides and other types of the lands damage water resources. This type of mining general the diversion of rivers causing flooding and loss of crops. Biologically, the main impact is of natural forests, moorlands, and water tributaries, which, when contaminated, causes the loss of resources, species, and animals in danger of extinction. Socially, in areas subject to mining exploitation, where its public service, violence, loss of school, massive population, immigration of economic, social. Uh, yes, thank you very much, teacher. Uh, happy night.